The basement. The go-to place for most families looking for tons of storage. A place to entertain friends and family, or where the kids hang out when the grown-ups are having grown-up talk. Unfortunately for some, the basement also brings flashbacks to stressful sump pump fails and soggy boxes. Fortunately, traditional builders have developed ways to seal up those basements for some measure of damp-proofing protection. They use standard foundation sealant, which is a spray tar that seals the basement's concrete surfaces. Unfortunately for them and you, tar is rigid, and as a home settles and tar ages, it can crack, leaving your basement susceptible to water penetration from rain or heavy snow thaw. And that turns into a whole lot of water and a whole lot of potential cleanup. Fortunately, Fairfield Homes believes in incorporating building science from top to bottom. Our foundation sealant is unlike traditional tar-based spray materials in one big way. Instead of tar, our sealant is created from a flexible membrane that moves and flexes with your home's foundation as it settles and moves. By self-sealing all the small cracks that develop over time, this first line of moisture defense keeps your basement dry at all times. And it's just another way Fairfield is working behind the scenes to keep your family happy and worry-free.